Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use Antidote's corrector to fix writing errors and improve your writing style. You can use Antidote directly where you write. Launch the corrector with the small flask which is found at the bottom of the screen in Windows or at the top of the screen on a Mac. From a word processor, an email, a spreadsheet, or presentation or publication software. When using a web browser, launch the corrector with the flask in the toolbar. The corrector underlines detections, using red for errors to correct and orange for potential errors. Read the explanations in the tooltip. If you'd like more information, click on the links in the tooltip to open the dictionaries or the guides on the relevant page. Double-click to make a correction, and the change will automatically be applied in the original document. You can also correct typography and improve your style. Repetitions, constructions to review, overly long sentences, Antidote offers you all the tools you need to increase your writing's clarity and power. The corrector's other sections are there to examine a text from all angles, such as its syntax or semantic fields. And these functionalities are only the tip of the iceberg. Subscribe to our channel and continue exploring Antidote with our other videos.